Dime tu verdad, porque ella te está sacando. Tú no sabes cómo estoy sufriendo, todo lo tengo que decir. Cuéntame, tu despedida para mí fue dura. ¿Será que te llevo a la luna? Y yo no supe hacerlo así. Te estaba buscando por la calle gritando.
Hi everyone, in this video, me, Eddie Rizal, and my team will explain about the nervous system of the human body. First of all, what is nervous system? Nervous system is our body command center. Our nervous system works by sending a signal between the brain through the parts of our body. And when does it happen? It is happen voluntary and involuntary. For further explanation, I'll let my friend Ifan to explain about the nervous system.
Next, we continue to the structure of neuron. Structure of neuron have been divided to the three part. The first one is cell body, and then go to the dendrite, and last axon. Next, we continue to the first part, which is cell body. Cell body is located in central nervous system. Its function to receiving the stimuli from the dendrites. The cell body also containing the nucleus. What is nucleus? Nucleus is function as a brain for the cell, which is controlling the activity of cell. We continue to the second part, which is dendrites. Dendrites for sensory neuron are long. Meanwhile, dendrite for the motor neuron are short, but there are many. And then the function for the dendrite is receiving information from other neurons.
In this part, I will explain about axon and Schwann cell. Axon is the tail of the neuron, and it can be short or long nerve fiber. The long fibers processes outside the CNS that cover it by a white myelin sheath formed by Schwann cell, or also called as neurulima sheath. The most large fiber are myelinated, and the myelin increase the rate of nerve impulse transmission. The function of axon is to transmit information in the form of electrical impulses between the neurons. Neuron has an axon that directly connects with another neuron. A Schwann cell is a type of glial cell in the peripheral nervous system that wraps around the nerve fibers, producing the myelin sheath, which insulates and increases the speed of electrical impulses along the axon.
A nerve are framework against in the myelin coating on the neural axon. The myelin allows the electrical impulse to move quickly down the axon. The nerve are framework allows for ion to diffuse in and out of the neuron, propagating the electrical signal down the axon. While the axon terminal is important in cell-to-cell communication, through the neuron transmitter, it releases into the synaptic cleft. The neurotransmitter that exit that neuron release signal to the next target cell.
So, as we know that there is two main parts in the nervous system, which is CNS and PNS, that has been explained earlier by Edith. So here's some simple example of how it actually works. You have sensory receptor in your skin, and when you touch a hot kettle, this receptor detect the heat, and the sensory neuron that are part of PNS, they send signal to the CNS, which goes to the spinal cord and to the brain. And the brain then process that sensory information and quickly determine that this is a harmful stimulus, that the kettle is hot. So, the brain sends signal via the spinal cord out of the CNS via motor nerve that are part of the PNS and out to the muscle of arm, which signal for those muscles to contract so that we can pull away from the hot kettle.